The ESP32-C2 has launched its latest version 2.0. We'll show ESP32-C2's powerful applications through using ESP-NOW, ESP RainMaker, Matter, LCD and LED displays. Here's a dual LCD display board based on the ESP32-C2. Each screen can be controlled independently. Also, they can be driven simultaneously. This 8x8 matrix is controlled by an ESP32-C2. With ESP-NOW, it allows data transmission between chips. With ESP RainMaker, you can control devices like LEDs right from your smartphone. The ESP32-C2 also supports Matter, enabling seamless integration with all Matter-enabled ecosystems, including HomeKit, Alexa, Google Home, Samsung SmartHang. ESP32-C2 supports complex protocols and multi-device setups, unlocking new possibilities for developers.